Hi, good evening, friends. I'm Kumar from Green Traders. So today in the weekend, I have analyzed a few stocks for the coming week where a possible breakdown or a breakup is possible. So we'll just check one by one. So this is the first. We'll start with Nifty. So tomorrow, Nifty, that is Monday, 27th July. As you can see, again, it is trading in sort of a range from past 2 days. So tomorrow, if in case Nifty trades above 11,225, there is a possible upside for Nifty from there, or else Nifty may you can short Nifty from 11,225. It all depends upon how the market opens tomorrow. If there is a gap up or a gap down, if there is a gap up above 11,225, just go for a buy. Okay, with the target around 11,000. 50 or 11,060 up to 11,300. Okay, and if there is a gap down and Nifty breaks below this range, that is 11,070 70 or 60, it may come all along till 11,000 mark, and that may fill up the gap which was formed, I think, 1 to 4 days back. So this is was about Nifty. And the next stock will come to Oro Pharma. Oro Pharma, as you can see, it's in the uptrend as well. So it is in the possible the in the last of the trend line support. So and in the horizontal support as well, there is a support over here. So tomorrow, if Oro Pharma trades above 8:15, there is a possibility that it may come till 8:24, from 8:15 to 8:24 on the buy side. And tomorrow, if there is a gap down, or if this breaks this trend line, so they are from 800, below 800, there's a chances that it may come down till 790. uh, 790, yeah, 790, from 800 to 790, the 10-point stock. Okay, and the next stock, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, from couple of days it has a nice up move, and again from 2 days it is in sort of a range, and the negative part is it has broke the long trend line, and it is trading in the range now. So if Bajaj Finance comes, there is a possibility if it trades about 6,400 mark, it may come till 6,600 over here again to retest this trend line, and again on the top of this resistance line. Now, so you can short over here if it's there is a gap up till here, then you can short from 6,600, or if it opens above 6,400, you can buy Bajaj Finance above 6,400. And in case Bajaj Finance has a gap down above this range, that is 6,100, 6,150 or 6,100, there is a possible that it may come down till 6,000, another 100 and 100 points. Okay, the next stock is Tata Steel. Tata Steel is also, as you can see, it's in the uptrend, and possible the major trend line support has been broken, and there is a few supports over here where it is taking the support and reversing from here. So on Monday or the coming week, if it starts trading above 350, it may go until 356 or 360. So and if it starts trading below 340, and again it may come till 330. Okay, so just watch out, guys. And the next stock is Marico. Marico has a nice uptrend. It is sort of a bullish now. So tomorrow, watch out if this starts trading about 350, 355, 356. It has a good chance of reaching till 360. Okay, so I don't think so. This may come down in the coming weeks if it there's a bad market or negative market. If this comes and breaks this big trend line support, uh, then below 345 you can sell, for the target of 335 or 334 330. So and the next stock is Jubilee Food. Jubilee Food also, it's in the support, in the final trend line support. So watch out if this there is there any chances over here, any price action buy signals over here, you can just buy, or else if this opens below 1710, then it will come along till 1688. If it is trades above 1751, it may come up to 1770. Okay, this is all the short term targets I'm giving. It's all intraday targets. And next stock is Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge, as you can see, it has again, it's broken the trend line support, and it is trading outside the trend line with upon this horizontal support over here. So this stock may come and retest this level, that is 391. So anyone who wants to short this, they can short near 390 to 395 if the stock comes and trades in these levels. Okay, and there is a negative opening, then you can short this below 375 for a target up to 360. And next stock is Wipro. Wipro these days, IT sector is doing really good. So let's watch out if Wipro, if this breaks this channel and trades above 272, it has a good chance of reaching 279 or 280, 8 points, 8 to 9 points on the buy side. And in case if this breaks this point 260, then you can short till 250, 255, 250 for the target of 250 and 250. So the next stock is UPL. UPL also, the most of the stocks are in the uptrend only, so better you be on the buy side. Before that, keep mind how the market is. If the market is positive, then 90% you be on the buy side. Okay, and if the market is negative, watch out and be careful while shorting these stocks, because most of the stocks are in uptrend. So we are doing against the trend, so that is not suggestible. But still, if you find any 80%, 90% chances of any reversible price action patterns, you can go for shorting the stocks. Okay, UPL also in the same case, it's on the support line now. It may reverse from here, or it may break from down. So if start reversing from 452, it may reach till 460 and 465 up to 470. Okay. uh, Coming to Mindtree as well, it's an IT stock. It's in the uptrend. So if this breaks above 1032, you can buy Mindtree and for the target of 1053. And if it's break this channel and comes out and starts trading outside, then near 1004 or 3, you can short Mindtree up to target 991 or 976. Fine. And Titan also, it's in a very strong uptrend. So let's see tomorrow, see if this sort of a small channel it has broken out. For next coming days, it may go and test this level and come again, and it may break this point. Okay, just watch out and trade respectively. So and Infosys is also in the trend. So Infosys, if the sell side, I'll tell you first, if it breaks below 895, then you can short Infosys for a target of 880 and 850. And on the buy side, if it's break this range above 945 and trades above this, sustains and trades above this particular level, it may reach up to 976. Okay. Biocon is sort of a bit negative. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Maybe it's already broken this dynamic trend line support. Let's see if it's open at the same level like 416. It will come down till 406, so another 10 points. If it start reversing from 415, then you can buy Biocon for a target up to 426. Okay. And the last stock is ACC. ACC, as you can see, it's trading in sort of this flag pattern. Let's see tomorrow what happens if this starts trading above 13,000, oh sorry, 1,006, 1,360. Then you can buy ACC for up to a target of 1387. So buy above 1362 for a target of 1387 for target of 20 points. And if this opens and breakdowns and opens, then you can short Nifty at 1340, below 1340, and for the target of 1328, another 10 points down, or 28 and 1315. Okay, the final target. So that's it, guys. These are the analyzation of different stocks for coming days in this week for intraday. So watch out and trade accordingly. Always keep in the mind the direction of the market before trading, because most of the 80% of the stocks in the uptrend. So it will be a good opportunity if the market is moving in the up direction. Okay, so if in case the market is in negative, please watch out and be cautious while shorting these stocks. Okay, so to learn how to draw these lines to support trend lines, channels, or to learn price action scalping strategy, you can contact me, WhatsApp me. You can join my Telegram channel, watch my videos over there. You can subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, so have a great profitable week ahead. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.